Tip number 2. So in this video I'll teach you our first song for the complete beginners. The first song will be Twinkle Twinkle, which is for the kids, and if you're an adult you can learn Happy Birthday, which I'll teach after Twinkle Twinkle. So we'll start with our song Twinkle Twinkle. Now I'll show you Happy Birthday. But before learning Happy Birthday, we have to understand the difference between the black keys and the white keys. So the black keys are called sharps and the white keys are called natural notes, which are C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So these are the white keys, and in the black keys we don't have names, but because they are sharps, we use the names with the name of the previous notes. So if it is the sharp, if it is F, so this is going to be F sharp. If it is G, then the other note, the other black key is going to be G sharp. So same like that, all the keys have sharp except B and E. So these keys doesn't have sharp, so they only have white notes. We'll start Happy Birthday. I'll play it one more time slowly to show how I'm playing the sharp note.